Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in this video, we're going to be talking about chargers. Now, it wasn't up until just a couple of days ago that it hit me. A few of my chargers were putting out excessively high amps, while others were putting out hardly any. Now, I don't know on other brands, but on GrowWatt in particular, their meter displays are very inaccurate. You can't even go by their meter readings. You pretty much got to feel out the settings on your own to get everything lined up the way it's supposed to be. So anyway, so what I did is I took the hot output chargers and I started dropping the voltage down by 1/10 of a volt increments until I got all of the chargers within about 15-20 amps of each other, which is way better than what it was doing before. But now, if you do that by dropping down your chargers so that they all come out even, but your target voltage also drops down lower than you want it to be, then what you want to do is just the opposite. You want to go to your weaker chargers and increase them by 1/10 of a volt until all of them match up, and you get your target voltage all in one. So anyways, this is just a short, sweet, simple video here, and that's all I've got for this one. Thanks for watching.